I made a bonus video earlier that showed how to make adjustments in Photoshop to our images by using the Levels adjustment layer. As you can see, the blacks can be made blacker. We normally want to go just to the beginning of the graph, and the whites can be made whiter. And that really can enhance the colors and take away a gray overcast that you didn't even really know was there. That can actually be done in Premiere as well. So let me show you how that works. If you click on your workspaces and switch to the Effects workspace, this is where all those video transitions live, and there's a lot of video effects as well. Just type the letters LEV right there, and you'll be able to make adjustments to the levels of your images. Just drag and drop it on your image. And then over here on Effect Controls, just collapse that. You don't need to adjust all those individual numbers. We're again going to use a graph. Now it's not as detailed as the one in Photoshop, so I'm just going to bring the black point in a little bit, bring the white point in. So this is mostly all that sand that's there, and so we're going to lose some detail. Any pixels to the right of that were turned perfectly white. And as long as it's not an important part of the image and you don't overdo it, you can turn this on and off and see that an improvement was made. It brings up the colors a little bit. This one I really wouldn't worry about. I do have, like, here's the one that you just saw in Photoshop. Let me take Levels and adjust that one as well. I'm just going to click on the setup, that's the graph here, and bring the black point in some, bring the white point in some, and sometimes I'll wiggle this back and forth, but it is very hard to tell on this little thumbnail. So I'm going to click OK and see if that helped any. So it kind of brightened it up. Maybe take the black point in a little bit more. And just see if it makes an improvement. If not, you can just click on that and delete it. You can even just copy and paste this levels. So I'm going to Control-C copy and go down here. I noticed that my dragonfly really didn't have that much color in it. And so let's try it. I'm going to Control-V paste on the dragonfly and then just turn the levels on and off. And you can see that even the settings from the other picture did a pretty good job. Now I might bring this in a little more and then just see, make a slight adjustment. But that way you can copy and paste an effect and then just tweak it a little bit more. So that is going to look a lot better in the video. If the blacks are blacker and the whites, like the little highlights right there, are whiter, color naturally comes up.